Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for the Pinot Curve. This puzzle is a level 9 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So, this is another one of these fractal puzzles. I have the pieces outside of the tray already arranged where they need to be, and I'm going to go piece by piece, letting you have a moment to make sure you have the same piece as me, and then I'll show you where to put it. Of course, with these, some of these will be very similar. It's just there's little nubs or spaces that are different, so you need to pay attention to every little piece. In this one particularly, most of the pieces are this square shape, and there's typically a little nub either sticking out or missing off of something. So like this one has a little protrusion, and it's got just the tiniest little curve cut into it. And that'll go in our corner. So we got another little curve there. I just wanted to point that out. Try to make it easier. Got the nub sticking out and it's got a rounded end. Now see, these two pieces actually, this is a good example, are very similar. It's just the one nub is slightly longer, and that will be a problem. So we're going to have the longer nub on this one. And you would be able to tell there would be a little space here if you had the wrong piece. You can see our groove at the top, a little curve. Got a little curved nub there and a very small protrusion up here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.